Welcome from BIS to Business Intelligence Systems and Revel. Today we're going to do a quick demo on Revel point of sale for quick service type of restaurants and cafes. One thing about Revel, it's not just a point of sale, it's a point of sale as well as other systems. So it has an inventory system, it has a clocking in and clocking out for your employees. So you don't have to purchase especially if you started a dedicated clocking in system. So anybody in your staff, whether it's a cleaner or a chef, will have a a code to log on, and they will have different privileges. So I'm logging in right now, and it says, "Are you Jaman?" I said yes, and that's me. And it took my picture for the my clock-in time and my overtime and all that stuff will be calculated from that point. So we'll know if I'm late and all that as well. Now we're going to go ahead and log onto the system, assuming I have the permissions. Everything that I'm going to show right now is actually built-in features within Revel systems. There are some add-ons, like this picture is an add-on for delivery management. If you need that, please contact us and we'll give you more detail. But I'm going to close that right now and just to focus on the demo. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to do a quick demo. We're going to make a quick order, and you'll notice right away that it's very simple. But on the top you see like different categories. These are the main categories, like cafe, clothing, pizza, and then underneath I have the subcategories. I'm looking at the pizzas right now. You can have appetizers, so you can configure your menu as you please. Now I'm going to go ahead to the cafe. So I'm going to go to coffee, espresso, tea, and you'll see as soon as I click, the icons change and you'll see the pictures as well. Now, if you put pictures for your staff, it just makes the training for your staff and getting used to the system a lot faster. So I'm going to go ahead and order one thing, which is a juice right now. And as soon as I click on it, it opens up another screen which adds, which we call the modifier screen, which are add-ons. For example, the size, what type of milk I want to add, extras, and you can have as many modifiers as you like per item. So right now here, I'm choosing my milk, and you can have this in multiple languages if you like, and you can have them with price or no price. So, but for now, let's just select this soy. Now, let me order one more thing. Let's say maybe a Spanish latte. One thing that I want you to note is some of these items have numbers on them. And this number actually is the inventory quantity of that item that I have. So this works very well for retail items. For example, your bottles of water or your Coca-Cola or things like that. Now, if you make the permissions so that you can make the permissions so that only if you have the item available will add it to the cart. But you just said I just add this one item, even though it was 0, it would allow me to add it because I had the permissions. But I'm going to delete it right now. Okay, so let's pay this order. I just pressed paid at the bottom. So now it's 22 KD and 500 fills. So I'm going to say, let's say I paid 30 and then cash, and now it says the change is 7 KD and a half. So let's do another order, a quick order. So we're going to order a pizza, and we have, you see, a lot of different modifiers. So I can do the size, the sauces that I want, the crusts, whether it's thin, original, skinny. I can choose the meats that I want, the veggies, and you can add as many type of these as one, and you could even put pictures on these icons. For this one, I didn't do it in this demo, but you'll see it in other demos. You'll see pictures there as well. Now, even with these modifiers, you can actually put some intelligence. For example, the size, I don't want them to select multiple sizes for the same order, so I limit that to only one. But other things I can do is, for example, if I want to build your own pizza, you can have like the first 3 toppings free, and then they pay on the 4th one and 5th one and so on. So there's a lot of intelligence that you can add on to this, beside how it looks simple right now. Now, that's my order for pizza. Now, other things that we can also do is sometimes you might want to learn how to increase your average check. So you can actually make combos, or in fine dining restaurants, they call them like a set menu. So right now here I have, for example, you can choose one of these items in the first group. I can choose another item from the sides and one drink. This is just three choices, but you can make as many as you want. Now this comes in as one item. So this is one meal. Now, other things that we didn't talk about, if you look at the icons at the bottom, like the quantity, and you see one is called discount. So you can actually create your own custom discounts. We call these standard discount. These could be a percentage or a percentage or an amount. And you can even put some intelligence on those as well, where you can make them only work on weekends or weekdays. It's up to you. Now, another type of discount we have, this is really good, is especially for delivery. If I click on the icon on top here, on the top left, it will open my CRM, my customer relationship database. So I can actually search the customer by name, and you can see on the top right here, it shows me my favorite, or this customer's favorite orders. And you can see there's another discount. It says owner discount. This is the other type of discount we have, which is called customer discount, where you can actually make it specifically for a customer or a group of customers. And this is automatically selected without the cashier actually having to select it. As soon as you select the customer, automatically it adds that discount. And the nice thing with this is you can also look at the history of that customer. So I'm going to pay for this. Now you see the first screen has showed me my rewards, which is an add-on, which we're not going to talk about right now. But let's say right now 12 KD, and then you have two people want to pay for this. So how do I split it? So you see the icon here on the bottom. We can set split bill, and if I click on it, I can split it evenly, manually, by item. But if I had a table reservation or table setup, I can also do it by seat number. For now, I'm just going to do a split it evenly. But if I split it manually, I can say, for example, this guy will pay 3, the other guy will pay 8. Or I can do it by item, but I'm going to do it evenly right now. And let's say it's 2 people. And now I have 2 bills. Both are 6 KD. And I can pay the first one with KNet or a credit card, something like that. And if you want to record the approval code, you can, of course. So I'm going to do that and press OK. And then press done. Now the other bill, I'm going to pay with cash. And then I'm going to press done. And there we go. We're done. And this is a quick, simple demo. If you want more details, please follow up with us. And we'll give you more detail. Thank you very much. And talk to you soon.